These products might look weird at first, but once you see them in action, you'll realize they're actually genius. From strange kitchen tools to gadgets you didn't know existed. Here are 30 weird Amazon products that actually work. This might be one of the weirdest kitchen tools you'll ever see, but it actually solves a real problem. This heated butter knife gently warms up, allowing you to spread cold butter straight from the fridge without tearing your bread. No more waiting or ruining your toast in the morning. It's simple, but incredibly satisfying to use. Once you try it, going back to a regular knife feels frustrating. It's one of those small upgrades that makes everyday routines smoother without you even realizing it. This looks a bit strange at first, but it's incredibly practical. This flexible phone holder lets you watch videos completely hands-free while lying in bed or sitting on the couch. You can adjust it to any angle, so your phone stays exactly where you want it. No more holding your phone until your arm gets tired. It's perfect for watching content, video calls, or even following recipes. It may look unusual, but once you start using it, it becomes something you use every single day. This tiny vacuum might look like a toy, but it's surprisingly effective. It's perfect for cleaning crumbs, dust, and small debris from your desk in seconds. Instead of wiping everything around, it actually sucks the dirt up and leaves your surface clean. It's especially useful if you eat at your desk or work in a messy space. The compact design makes it easy to store anywhere. It's one of those weird gadgets that feels unnecessary, until you try it and realize how convenient it actually is. You know that annoying gap between your car seat and the console? This product fixes it instantly. These gap fillers block that space, so you never lose your phone, keys, or coins again. It's such a simple idea, but it makes a huge difference in daily use. No more reaching into impossible spaces while driving. It also gives your car a cleaner, more finished look. This is one of those weird products that solves a very specific problem, and once you have it, you won't want to drive without it. This might look uncomfortable at first, but it actually helps fix one of the most common problems: bad posture. You wear it under your clothes, and it gently pulls your shoulders back into a better position. Over time, it helps train your body to sit and stand correctly. It's especially useful if you spend a lot of time at a desk. It may feel strange at the beginning, but many people notice a big improvement after using it consistently. A simple idea that can make a real difference. These small balls might not look like much, but they're incredibly effective at eliminating bad odors from shoes. You just place them inside, and they start absorbing moisture and neutralizing smells almost instantly. No sprays, no mess, no effort. They're perfect for gym shoes or everyday use. It's one of those simple solutions that actually works better than expected. If you've ever dealt with smelly shoes, this weird little product might be exactly what you need. This is definitely one of the strangest products on the list, but it's surprisingly useful. This motion sensor light attaches to your toilet and lights up automatically at night. It helps you see without turning on bright lights and waking yourself up completely. Some versions even change colors, which makes it oddly fun to use. It's weird, yes, but also practical. Once you get used to it, going to the bathroom at night feels way easier. These might look unusual, but they're designed to improve airflow while you sleep. The magnetic system gently opens your nasal passages, helping you breathe better and potentially reducing snoring. It's a simple concept, but many people find it surprisingly effective. It doesn't require anything complicated. Just place it and let it do its job. If you struggle with breathing at night, this strange little product might actually make a difference. This looks like something between a hoodie and a blanket, and that's exactly what it is. It's oversized, super soft, and designed to keep you warm, while still being able to move around freely. Perfect for cold days at home, watching movies, or just relaxing. It may look funny, but once you try it, it's incredibly comfortable. This is one of those products that seems unnecessary, until you experience it. These glasses let you see forward while lying down flat. Yes, it sounds weird, but it actually works. The angled mirrors reflect your view so you can read or watch something without lifting your head. Perfect for bed or relaxation. It feels strange at first, but it solves a very specific problem in a clever way. Definitely one of the most unusual products here. This tool might look unnecessary at first, but it actually makes preparing avocados much easier and safer. Instead of using a knife and struggling with a slippery fruit, this slicer lets you cut, pit, and slice in one smooth motion. It reduces the risk of accidents and saves time every single time you use it. It's especially useful if you eat avocados regularly for breakfast or salads. Everything comes out clean, even, and ready to eat. It's simple, but once you try it, it feels like a big upgrade. This clip-on strainer looks basic, but it solves a very common problem in the kitchen. Instead of using a large colander that takes up space, you just attach this directly to your pot and drain water instantly. It's quick, clean, and much more efficient. It also works with different pot sizes, which makes it even more practical. You don't need to transfer food or risk spilling anything. Once you use it, you'll realize how unnecessary traditional strainers feel. It's a small, clever tool that simplifies cooking in a big way. This gadget might seem lazy at first, but it's actually incredibly useful. It automatically stirs your food while cooking, which is perfect for sauces, soups, or anything that needs constant movement. Instead of standing there stirring for minutes, you can focus on other tasks. It's especially helpful when multitasking in the kitchen. The motion is consistent and prevents burning or sticking. It looks unusual, but once you use it, you realize how much time and effort it saves. It turns a repetitive task into something completely hands-free. These claws look like something from a superhero movie, but they're surprisingly practical in the kitchen. They allow you to shred meat quickly and efficiently without using forks or your hands. Perfect for pulled pork, chicken, or barbecue meals. The grip makes it easy to handle hot foods safely. It also speeds up the process significantly compared to traditional methods. It might look excessive at first, but once you try it, it becomes a go-to tool for cooking. A simple idea that makes a messy task much easier. Cutting a pineapple the traditional way can be messy, slow, and wasteful. This tool completely changes that. It cores and slices the fruit in one motion, giving you perfect rings in seconds. No juice everywhere, no uneven cuts, and no wasted fruit. It's incredibly satisfying to use and makes the whole process much faster. If you enjoy fresh pineapple, this tool makes it so much easier to prepare. It looks a bit strange, but it's one of those tools that works exactly as intended and saves you time. These might be one of the weirdest products on the list, but they actually solve a real problem. They attach to your fingers, allowing you to eat snacks without touching them directly. This is perfect if you're gaming, working, or using your phone. No more greasy fingers or dirty screens. It feels unusual at first, but after a few uses, it becomes surprisingly natural. It's not something you think you need until you try it. Then it just makes sense. This tool makes removing corn kernels incredibly easy and efficient. Instead of using a knife and struggling to get everything off cleanly, you just slide this along the cob and it removes all the kernels in seconds. It's safer, faster, and less messy. Perfect for cooking or preparing meals in bulk. It may look simple, but it works extremely well. Once you use it, going back to a knife feels slow and inconvenient. A small tool that makes a big difference in the kitchen. This might look funny, but it does its job perfectly. You crack an egg into it and it separates the yolk from the white instantly. No mess, no broken yolks, and no complicated techniques. It's especially useful for baking or recipes that require precision. It saves time and avoids mistakes. Even though it looks like a novelty item, it's actually very practical. Once you try it, you'll appreciate how simple and effective it is. This small device reseals plastic bags using heat, keeping your food fresh for longer. Instead of clips or folding bags, you get a proper seal every time. It's portable, easy to use, and very satisfying. Just slide it across the bag and it closes instantly. It helps reduce food waste and keeps everything organized. It might look like a simple gadget, but it's incredibly useful in daily life. Once you start using it, you'll find yourself using it all the time. This oil sprayer gives you a fine, even mist instead of pouring too much oil. It helps control portions and makes cooking more efficient. It's perfect for frying, baking, or air frying. You use less oil while still getting great coverage. It also reduces mess and makes your kitchen feel more professional. It may not look like anything special, but once you try it, you realize how much better it is than traditional bottles. This gel looks like slime, but it's surprisingly effective for cleaning hard-to-reach areas. You press it into gaps like keyboards, vents, or car interiors, and it picks up dust instantly. It's very satisfying to use and works better than expected. Instead of pushing dirt around, it actually removes it. It's simple, reusable, and practical. A weird-looking product that delivers real results. This tool takes the effort out of deep cleaning. It spins automatically, helping you remove dirt and grime without scrubbing hard. It's perfect for bathrooms, tiles, and tough surfaces. It saves time and reduces physical effort. The rotating motion makes cleaning faster and more effective. It might look bulky, but it's very practical. Once you use it, manual scrubbing feels exhausting. These slippers might look funny, but they actually work. The microfiber soles pick up dust and dirt as you walk around. It turns a daily activity into a cleaning routine without effort. It's simple, practical, and surprisingly effective. Perfect for quick maintenance cleaning. It may not replace deep cleaning, but it helps keep floors cleaner every day. This bag protects your shoes while washing them in the machine. It prevents damage and keeps them secure during the cycle. No more worrying about ruining your shoes. It's simple, but very effective. If you clean shoes regularly, this makes the process much safer and easier. This long-handle mop makes cleaning walls and ceilings much easier. You don't need ladders or uncomfortable positions. It reaches high areas effortlessly and removes dust or stains quickly. It's practical and saves time. A great tool for deep cleaning. This lint roller doesn't need refills. You can wash it and reuse it again and again. It removes hair, dust, and lint effectively. It's more eco-friendly and cost-efficient than disposable rollers. A simple upgrade that works really well. This extendable duster lets you clean hard-to-reach areas like ceilings and fans. It saves effort and time. The long handle makes cleaning safer and easier. Perfect for deep cleaning sessions. This small brush is designed for tight spaces like window tracks. It removes dirt where normal tools can't reach. It's very satisfying and effective. A simple but clever tool. This removes lint and fuzz from clothes, making them look new again. It's perfect for old garments. It's easy to use and delivers great results. A small tool with big impact. This sits in your drain and catches hair before it causes clogs. It's simple, cheap, and extremely effective. It prevents bigger problems later. A must-have for any bathroom.